Now this gal want me and her uterus. Fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as her life is squinting. Can't just stare, we're bae through thick and thin. She already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV. No, SOS, somebody rescue me. I got too many, I got. They could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, let's send it.